akuri die mu no eno no enti am sure say education ni die it is good but it is not the road to success. Are you getting it? Education isn't the road to success. It can make you successful. Education can make you successful, but it is not the road to success. Who education? Now need skill be talking kasa a skill, right? But you need to educate yourself on what to talk about. Yes, so education is broad. Getting the formal education,
that's what I'm talking
good.
about.
One no there, there no limitations room.
Because when say even in our daily life and I say daily activities in education, because say also no when you formal education cry if it's not cry and it say you say honey gary honey that oh that honey be a tico honey ni na education ni na ya adesua wo so osua na brabo man na say osua na setenem. But we are emphasizing on formal education. What you say? Formal education. So when it comes to formal education and creative skills, from the onset of my life, say 7-year example, maybe I know an artist.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
The manager artist work. Maybe I say a Juma way say so the manager was after panel of it. Because up till now, I can say who is the great artist. I will mention my father's name.
Sure.
What you say? And then if I venture into it, but and I'm say you doing far a different type of formal education.
You see, our problem in Ghana that we are not facing, right, is how our education system is.
That's and on the whole broad topic.
A broad.
Our formal education system,
you see,
because there are a lot of old staffs that to me it doesn't make any sense.
That one is there, but then you see, with you for instance, nanka idea say, anka papa edo one for one and for the normal kindergarten and for one for more mama we do baby a we do no, and anka ye no bibi say your art school bi wa ha, but me fa won ko ho ne focus only on art anka no me this anko mu we. But then here is the case, formal education, you're spreading on. You need to go here, come here, share with this, learn this, add this to this, take this from that before you become who you are. It's who you know. Don't think that you are equipped with one thing. Are you getting the point? It's your education now, you have your side of education about it to me. Everything then depends on you. Are you getting it? Sorry, feel free.
So, share educational system. I don't think say BBA generals. No, Omakadi obey actual. Obia at this time, Ebia, Sabia, Mimi say me good in Ebia marketing and those stuff. I don't think say. Me and I say me power show me the school here say me mrana me be school na me ebia me kasa about ebia say ebia me ton ade. You understand?